In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate workflows in Notion with database automations, buttons, and external tools. Notion automation is all about removing repetitive tasks so you can focus on meaningful work. At a high level, you can use built-in triggers and actions inside a database, add buttons to run custom sequences, or connect to external services for more complex integrations. Before building anything, take a moment to map your current processes in Notion. Document what happens when a task is created, moved, or completed. This helps you spot where automation will have the biggest impact. Start with the most time-consuming or repetitive workflows, and consider using templates so common projects follow the same structure every time. Keep in mind that some features, like recurring automations, may require a paid plan. To access automations, open your database, click the lightning bolt icon at the top, and select New Automation. If needed, make the automation more targeted by limiting it to a specific filtered view so it only runs on the pages you actually want it to affect. Next, define your trigger. Choose what kicks things off, such as when a new page is added or when a specific property, like status, is edited. Triggers keep your workflows precise and predictable. Then set up the actions. Decide what happens after the trigger fires. You might set a default status, assign a task to a team member, add a new page to another database, or send a Slack notification so your team stays informed. Think through the order of actions and how properties should be updated to avoid confusion. You can also use formulas to create dynamic text in actions. For example, generate a page title that includes today's date plus another property, and use the @ symbol to reference those properties. This keeps your records consistent and easy to scan. For one-click control, add a button property to your database. A button can run a series of actions instantly, which is great for routine updates or approvals. You can also insert a button anywhere on a page using the / command, button, allowing you to trigger a workflow from exactly where you're working. If you need more power, integrate with third-party tools like Zapier or Make to connect Notion with thousands of apps. For highly customized systems, use webhooks and the Notion API to build automations programmatically. With these tools, start small, refine, and expand. You'll streamline your processes, reduce errors, and create a smoother, more efficient workspace.